Hey guys, what's up? This is Elena. I'm going to show you how to make slime. My last video was showing what my slime looked like. I'm going to show you how to make my slime. I'll be right back. I forgot my container. I'll be right back. Well, unless I can, never mind. I can put it in the container with my other ones. I'm sorry. I find in my last video it was not bright, but I forgot I have my lamp right there. So funny. Alright. I forgot the water. I'll be right back. I'm back. Alright, try not to spill the water. Alright. Sorry, my chair just Alright, hey guys. First, you're going to need a bowl. Any kind of bowl. Make sure it doesn't stick. I just use a plastic. A fork or a spoon, either one. I just use it with a fork. You're going to need, first, you just want to use glue, Elmer's glue. Tide. And shaving cream. Any kind of shaving cream works. I just use it. Okay. And then, this is what mine turned out. I got 3. And I'm going to put it in with this one because it's going to be the same color. Alright. First, we're going to pour a little bit of glue. Let me open it. Oh, that was easy to open. I don't want to use that much, but I don't want to waste it all, so I can make more. And so I got my glue in my bowl. Then I'm gonna use some Tide, a little bit of Tide. Some Tide. Pour some in here. Alright, I'm gonna pour a little bit in. It's nice. It's gonna be a pretty blue. It's gonna be like a light blue. Alright, the Tide makes it thick. That's why we use Tide to make it thick. I don't know, I might need some more Tide to put in here. Then add, oops, some on my finger. Then, hold on a second. I'll leave more Tide. That's a little bit. Let me get all the glue so I can make some so y'all can see. And then after you kind of mix it good with the Tide, you want to put a little bit of water. If you put too much, it would ruin it. That's a little bit. And let me mix it good. Then after you kind of put a little bit of water in, it will just look like it's thinned out, but it's actually not. See? I'm gonna, whoops, I got on the side. Get it back down from the side. Then you just want to add a little bit more Tide. Remember, it thickens it out. And you don't want it that thick, but it will do a little bit good. After, it looks like it's collecting all of it, and it's, getting tough to, get, and it's hard getting tougher to stir, that's when you might want to add your shaving cream, but not right now. Because I'm making sure this is good, because I don't want to, ruin it, and, have to do it all over again. And so, look what it looks like right now. It's actually pretty good. And then, ooh, that didn't even stick to the plate. Now, this is a time where, let me get off my fork. It's not a lot of slime. I just wanted to do, I didn't want to waste my glue. So now it's time to add the shaving cream. Make sure, shake it up good. All right, let's try this. Let's shake, oops. Whoops. On the table. I'm gonna go get a napkin real quick. Okay, be right back. Let me wipe off the table. This is right near my tablet where I post videos. Now let me get some more shaving cream. And then first, I want to put it in my hand if I can grab it. Quick. It's in my hands. It looks like it's just a big glob, but it's actually not. It's kind of sticking to me. Oh. What? That was just my stepdad. And with my dad. Well, with my mom for the weekend. We moved into a new house. I'm sorry. He interrupted my video. I'm like, seriously? Might need some. See? It's perfect. This is what it turned out like to be. See, it's like a light blue